my relevant people. Welcome back to my channel. My name is crncoleman. If you are new to my channel, aka So Relevant. So y'all, in today's video, I wanted to show you all my first time using clip-ins. I have never used clip-ins, and so I just let me share this with you all. And I will be straightening my hair for the first time since I chopped it off, but I won't be showing it in the video. I will be doing it off camera. So today's video is going to be about, it is called Lachey Remy hair. And I bought this hair from off of Amazon. I didn't want to spend my money on expensive clip-ins until I got the hang of if I really liked the clip-ins. So I bought a 16 and a 22 inch in the Kinky straight. So this is the 16, as you can see, and it's in the color natural black, and I believe that's a 1B. And here is the 22 inch, as you can see, and both of them are the seamless clip-ins. I don't know if you guys can see, but it doesn't have the actual wefts on them. It has this seamlessness to it. Oh, it's supposed to lay a lot flatter to your hair. Both of them are 110 grams. And I just before I washed it, I just was like, I wonder if it would be enough. I originally wanted to get a 18 inch, but the 18 inch was not in stock. But I think the 16 and the 22 will be okay because the front of my hair is shorter. So I think it would kind of give it a layered look. And also, if you decide to buy this hair, it did come with a clip in each pack and some lashes, and it came with a little book, just to kind of like a little user's manual, and it came with some, let me get this out of here. Come on, I got butterfingers right now. Okay. And it came with two extra clips just in case. But y'all, I'm gonna go straighten this hair of mine off camera. I'm gonna eat me something too, and I will see y'all. And it's gonna be a few minutes to y'all, but to me it's gonna be a couple of hours. But I'll see y'all in a few minutes, and y'all will get to see me installing this hair. Excuse the noise. And also I'm gonna apply a little heat to it as well. And the product, another thing I'm going to tell you guys, the product that I'm going to try using is this olive oil or olive miracle anti-breakage heat protection and shine mist by African Pride. And I did use it on my hair, and so far so good. So I will say that. And everything that I bought will be listed in the description box. But before I go straighten this hair, please don't forget to hit that notification bell so you all are updated on when I post new videos. I try to post new videos every week. And please don't forget to like, comment, share with your neighbor, and subscribe. All right, y'all, I'll be right back. Okay, let me go.
Same way you used to, I require more, better than we ever had before. Gon' be home, though I couldn't blame. Basic bottom troll, what do you want greater? I am no wave, be surfing. I show you how to get this pay, will I be stacking? Been in a whole lot of pain, now we laughing. Me and Bang making plays till we crashing, yeah. Don't need to be on the scene, we are the scene. Dripping wetter from head to toe, lil' baby me. Yeah, I get what's mine. Let's remind them, be my rider. All gas, no way they gon' never pace us. No way they could ever break us. On next, we ain't gonna slow up now. All gas, stay down even when we not up. No way they could ever break us up. On God, they could only try. road out. I know you grateful that I stayed down. We leave the past in the past, that's all done now. Glad that we stayed down. We gon' pull up in a whip, start a new trend. Every inch of our skin is the blueprint. Follow the lines. They act like they forget, let's remind them. Be my rider. All gas, no way they can never pace us. No way they could ever break us. On next, we ain't gonna slow up now. All gas, stay down even when we not up. No way they could ever break us up. Oh God, they could only try to keep up.
Don't have to do anything. The scent of skin is strong enough. Huddle a little bit closer, babe. Let's see if I can warm you up. Huddle, babe, snuggle, baby. Huddle, babe, snuggle, baby. Huddle, babe, snuggle, baby. Snuggle, baby. Just wait. Let me drive you crazy, my cuddle baby. Wanna stay? Let's get stupid lazy, my cuddle baby. Don't stop, this is my favorite part. Hold me like it's out of style. Imagination is running wild. Eternity is in your smile. Huddle, babe, snuggle, baby. Huddle, babe, snuggle, baby. Just wait. Let me drive you crazy, my cuddle baby. Wanna stay? Let's get stupid lazy, my cuddle baby.
All right, you guys. I think I'm gonna send this hair back, and I don't know. I think I'm gonna see if they have a light yaki, and maybe a yaki will work better, and a kinky straight, cause this look a mess, y'all. This was a fail. This look. I tried, and I don't want to keep putting any more heat on my hair. Yeah. I tried. This ain't. I stick to my little headband, kinky, straight headband wig. Cause straighten, it ain't. I don't put too much product on my hair. And tomorrow is homecoming. So shout out to the Tennessee State University 2023 homecoming. By the time y'all see this, homecoming probably is gone. It's probably done past, but all right, y'all. This was a fail for me. But if they have a yaki texture, I will order that, and hopefully I'll have better luck with it blending with my hair. So yeah, all right, y'all. If y'all enjoyed this failed video, or in the words of the pastor, in closing, if y'all enjoyed this failed video, please don't forget to like, comment, share with your neighbor, and subscribe. Bye, y'all. Let me take this mess out my hair. Bye.